Hi! In today's video, I'm going to talk a bit about when you're recording videos and some small tips that you can use if you want to have some changes so it doesn't look the same every time you are recording videos. And I'm going to show you an example. I am a scarf person. I often wear scarves, and what I do now to save my my work and do it in a better way is that I'm batching videos, and that means that I'm recording a lot of videos and just do them everyone and what I do, so you can see that it's not actually the same every time. Okay, I'll take another scarf because now I have a souvenir. Right? So in the next video, I wear another scarf, and sometimes I'm using them in different, and then I can decide to spread them out also if I want to have other backgrounds in between. And in next video, okay, let's take this scarf. And if you're not a scarf person, you can do this with your jumper or something like that. But what I also do, I shift my background. So here's another background. So I'm talk about something specific in another background. And to the next video, I just change my scarf. And let's give another impression for you as a viewer. But I'm also going to show you that I don't have the best opportunities now in this room where I am right now. But I do it anyways. So let's see here. Let's take a look. I have this lamp in the roof ceiling. Oh, different ceiling. Yeah, you know what I mean. And it looks like I have something I'm hanging there or something like that. That's a disturbing thing in the background. But I can choose to not doing the videos, or I can choose to, okay, I'm not fine with that, but I do it anyway. And let's see if I find a way to maybe what do you call it, soft it out a bit or something like that. But I can also have this in an educational way for you to think of, because it can be sometimes if you have a tree or something green, a flower or something, it could look like you have a hat or something that you don't have. So, but just start to doing this, and even if it's perfect, even if it's not perfect, just do it and just bring it out. You will always find people that are telling you, you must do this and this, you have to do this, you da. But if you're new to this, if you should learn all those things which you need to do, maybe it's ending up not to be anything at all. So start better done than perfect. And then you can also have some difference next time you are doing videos. For me now, I don't have a time or possibility to go outside, but next time I can do some videos outside in a nice surrounding. There I can go and just put. I just have to be careful so it's not too windy, because is it too windy? You're probably not going to hear what I say. So that's just to think about as a tip for you. And in another moment, I'm sitting in front of my screen and do screen recording. And then you see the screen. And I'm also going to show you some things about this, because I'm working on finding my best way not have the cluttered background when I do screen recording. And it could be good to have this little picture of yourself. But I'm going to share that in another video sometime. Okay, so good luck with your work and do your very best where you are at the moment. And have a really great